Hello, good morning guys. Randy here. Currently nasa Bacolor, Pampanga tayo for a wedding shoot. It's Saturday. And then yung last video ko, nakita nyo nagbigay ako ng tips regarding sa kung other shooter kayo tas may hinire ang client na photo and video official, and then hinire ka for the family. Then, shoutout nga pala to Sir JM Manaloto of Quezon City. Nag-comment siya guys at may tanong siya. Ang tanong niya is, bakit nga ba nag-hire yung client pa ng separate photo or video para sa family nila? Gayong sila rin naman yung nag-hire ng official photographer and videographer. Okay. Pilitin natin sagutin yan ayon sa aking karanasan lang. Okay. Ganito kasi yan. Usually kasi pag malaki yung gathering, malaki yung gathering, di naman nila problema yung budget. Minsan lang nagsasama-sama yung mga family, yung angkan na tinatawag o yung clan, no. So dahil minsan lang nagsasama, yung official photographer and official videographer, ang priority nila is the event. So kunyari, ang my birthday, yung celebrator, and then yung family. So yun yung kanilang priority, yung kanilang workflow. Ngayon, yung buong family nila, as in yung angkan nila na pupunta mula sa prep, sa ganito, hindi masyadong matututukan yun. Alam naman natin yung workflow, di ba? Hindi yun matututukan ng official video and official photo team. Kaya, madalas kumukuha sila ng family photographer or family videographer just for them. Ibig sabihin, labas dun sa workflow ng buong team, ng official photo, official video team, labas ka doon, ang focus mo is the family. So, few snips lang with the celebrator, syempre, lalo na pag andyan yung buong angkan, tapos few snips din lang sa iba, pero ang priority mo is the family. Kasi usually darating si Lola, yun yung iyong inaabangan. So, si Lola, Lola, yung mga apo, ganyan. Lola, Lolo, yung mga apo, yan. Okay? Tita, asan yung family mo? Okay, buuin natin. So, nakikita nyo, during the preps, yun ang binabantayan mo. Now, during the ceremony, ganun din. Abangan mo yung pagpasok nila sa simbahan, yung chika-chika nila, hindi nagkita si tita with another tita coming from the US or something, or galing ng province, so hindi nakita-kita, abangan mo, so yung mga candidates nila, and then be sure to have a group photo lang, na at least kahit sa maayos na lugar, proper yung lighting, you can use flash, diba? Kasi memories yun so kikita nyo yung official photographer and official videographer are doing their stuff, their workflow sa back, at your back, di ba? Nandun yung beauty shot sila or something. Ikaw, kita mo yung mga family pag dumarating, yung mga apo, yung mga pamangkin, yung mga pinsan, yon ang trabaho mo. So, ang mangyari dyan, that's during the ceremony. During the, post-nap, kung kaya mo rin, kung kaya lang naman, together with the couple ng tita, nung tito, couple nung lola, nung lolo, yung mga kapatid with their spouses, then with their family, if you can patch them up to have a group shots, diba? So, portrait mo na rin sila, yung mga ganon. And then, during the reception naman, or dun sa kainan, o kung first birthday man yan, kung sa kainan naman is, yun din ang inaabangan mo. Sila yung magchichika-chika sila, pupunta sa ganitong lugar, pupunta dun sa design, sa art. Okay, siya tayo dito. Nasa table, kung sino-sino yung nasa table, priority mo sila. So yun yung trabaho, kaya nagaganon sila. So sa atin as freelancer, advantageous na alam natin yung workflow yung gagawin natin. Kagaya nung sinabi ko nung unang video, definitely kausapin mo yung official, no? Official photo and video. Madalas yan, hindi na naisasama sa DJ na meron kaming family photographer. So, ang nasa GC lang is the core, and then the official photo and video, and then yung the rest of the suppliers. Madalas labas na kayo. Yung iba naman kasi, hindi naman talaga yung mismong client yung nag-hire. Ang nag-hire is the tito, tita, parang okay, gift ko to pero for the family. So mas maganda yon, mas intact, mas intimate. Yung shot mo is puro family nila, yung mga hindi na nagkikita-kita, yung mga nasa ibang bansa ngayon lang dumating, ganyan, maayos yung damit nila, maayos yung lugar nila. So yun yung ginagawa mo. During the reception, ganun din. So nasa table, catch them while they're talking, they're laughing, 'di ba? Tapos syempre yung iba dyan, emotional, catch them as much as possible, and then try to ask them for a group shot, yung mga pinsan, yung mga magpapamangkin dyan, nakikita mo na yan, kasi sa reception makikita mo. Okay, so that's it. Thank you very much. Again, this is Randy, wedding portrait photographer from the Philippines, no? Tapos nandito tayo, coming from now, Bacolor. It's 6:45 a.m. No, dumating tayo 6 a.m., 7:30 yung call time. Wedding, again, maraming salamat, lalong-lalo na kay Sir J.M. Manaloto of Quezon City. Salamat sa iyong inquiry or katanungan. Sana nakapagbahagi tayo ng some sort of ideas. Again, maraming salamat sa lahat. Kung meron kayong question or meron kayong suggestion, lalong-lalo na kung may idea kayo para sabay-sabay tayong natututo, please comment it down. And then sa susunod na video, ganito ang gagawin natin. Dugtungan. Again, happy shooting, happy Saturday, stay safe guys, and God bless. Bye-bye.